Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Scholarcy, how it is installed. First, you have to open your Chrome web browser and make sure that you're logged in with your email. Once it's done, you have to go to the top right hand side and press three buttons. I can barely see those three dots. It will guide you to a drop down menu from where you have to find extensions, and then you have to find visit Chrome web store, that is a virtual store, and it will take you to another window, and that window have a search bar. We have to find it rather than just going through the top categories. We'll put SCHOLARCY Scholarcy as our search term, and we'll press enter, and this will appear. The first one, we're not bothering about other things. We had seen we can recognize this logo. That means this is ours that we want to install. I've already installed it, so if I will gently press it, it will take you to another window that is actually a web page that is about call to action, that add to Chrome. Since I've already installed it, so it's showing remove from Chrome. I'm not doing it right now. You have to press add to Chrome, and what will happen, it will take you to extensions. What you'll do from there, you have to pin it. What is the benefit of pinning? It will start appearing here as a shortcut. Once you will select it, it will take you to their web page, and on the basis of the information that you have given, they will put you to different categories. They have put me to non-subscribers category because I have not shown any kind of affiliation with anybody. I have told them that I am working from home and my role is a chota mota kind of researcher. So that's why I saved myself. So we are now going to the last part of it. I have already opened a page that is called USIP Local Funding for Peace in Pakistan, and it got a lot of information, and I'm just procrastinating that I have just read each and everything. If I'm not doing it, I mean, if you are very honest with yourself, you have to press this button and it will start working on it. Since I have already worked on it, so they have information like that is quite parallel to the one that you are already having from your synopsis and from your thesis style. The key concepts that are actually the key terms that you usually use, or keywords that you use in your article. The synopsis is a kind of a help, and highlights in the form of bullet points, and a summary. Instead of reading all the chunk of information, you have to read it just a very few of the information to grasp what is written over there. So this is the end of it. Thank you very much. Happy studying.